So, hello, who are you?
Hello, my name is Alfred Åberg. I'm a CNC operator at Notable Train Industry.
Great. But you're also a robot operator?
Yeah, since 2 years back almost.
Yeah. So, how do you like it? Does the robot behave?
Yeah, it behaves very well. So,
but
very easy to program.
Okay, yeah, but normally robot programs are quite difficult. Isn't this difficult?
No, very easy.
Okay, but do you have massive training?
No, just a couple of minutes, maybe an hour. So
it's that easy?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Aha, cool. But maybe you could show us how you program. Where do you do that?
Yeah, back at the computer. Let's go.
Okay, yeah, we'll go there.
Yeah.
So Alfred, if you just could show me how to program.
Yes.
Simple as that?
Yeah, simple as that.
So, have you been working with robots before?
No, never.
Never? So, how do you feel that? Have you gotten a long training course, or...?
No, it's like a 5-10 minutes of learning. It's very simple.
Super. And
very
you saw...
steps.
Yeah, and yeah, it takes about a minute.
Yeah, it takes about a minute.
Yeah, that's great. A completely new program.
Yeah, that you can use for many different type of work.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah, and now you are running serious size sound, so it actually measures the part, right?
Yeah,
the first part,
exactly.
And measures where the input pallet is.
Yes.
So it's easy to get going out there.
Yeah, very easy. Just simple steps. You do half the work outside and half of the work here at the computer.
Yeah.
Maximum 3, 4, 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's great.
Totally.
And now you just send the code to the robot.
Exactly. I press transfer, and I
but the robot is running right now,
exactly,
so we can't. But here you see the robot.
Exactly.
So you just press transfer and then you load the program.
Yeah, and then get going.
Yeah.